to your hands! Drop it!
Guys.
Drop the weapon!
Ow! Come on, put the knife down!
Drop it! Drop it! Ow! Drop the weapon! Drop the weapon! Drop it!
Trooper Jason T. Wirtz fired his service weapon, striking McAlpin. Officers immediately rendered first aid until medical personnel arrived, but McAlpin was pronounced dead at the scene. Investigators later recovered a machete and an airsoft rifle nearby. Austin, Texas, on December 16, 2023, at around 11:52 p.m., Austin police officers assigned to the 6th Street Patrol were alerted by a citizen that a man was attempting to enter a bar with a gun, violating Texas Penal Code Section 46.03. Within a minute, officers arrived at the bar in the 200 block of East 6th Street, where staff had already denied entry to the suspect, later identified as 29-year-old Trey Michael Idriak Hernandez. He then moved from the doorway toward a nearby window.
Hey! Hey! Hands! Let's go on hands! Hands! I got it! I got hands! I got hands! I got hands!